Sweet peppers, carrots, zucchini, and broccoli come together to create a vibrant, nutrient-packed meal that's not just healthy but incredibly delicious. Sweet peppers are loaded with vitamins A and C, boosting your immune system and adding a pop of color to your plate. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, support eye health and give a satisfying crunch. Zucchini is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a fantastic choice for digestion. And let's not forget broccoli, a powerhouse of antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. When you combine these vegetables, you're not only treating your taste buds but also fueling your body with essential nutrients. This meal is a perfect example of how eating healthy can be both enjoyable and beneficial for your overall well-being.